Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Hero XP in Last War Survival. In Last War Survival, Hero XP is essential for leveling up your heroes and unlocking their full potential. You can earn Hero XP in multiple ways throughout the game. Completing levels and missions grants experience automatically, and simply using a hero in battle contributes XP directly to them. Participating in events is another great method. Whether through clan wars, alliance challenges, or special time events. These activities often reward substantial Hero XP. Additionally, the in-game shop offers Hero XP, which can be purchased using gems, the game's currency, or even real money for faster progress. Remember, the more you play with your heroes actively, the more XP they accumulate. And combining rewards from battles, events, and the shop is the most efficient strategy. By balancing gameplay and strategic purchases, you'll ensure your heroes reach their maximum strength quickly and stay ready for any challenge the game throws at you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.